Experiencing no service or SOS only on your Cricket wireless phone? Here's what's happening. No service means your phone can't connect to any cell towers. SOS only allows emergency calls but restricts regular service. These issues often stem from network coverage gaps, SIM card problems, or account issues. Cricket uses AT&T's network, so coverage depends on your location and signal strength, ideally above 70 dBm. Recent network enhancements have expanded 5G coverage, but congestion in urban areas and dead zones in rural locations can still cause problems. Use the Cricket Wireless app or website to check the coverage map in your area, updated with real-time 5G availability overlays. Let's fix it. First, power cycle your phone. If that doesn't work, check your SIM card. Ensure it's properly inserted and not damaged. For unlocked phones, verify your APN settings. APN should be Endo. If using Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi calling in your phone's settings. If problems persist, perform a network reset in your phone's settings. Contact Cricket support for a replacement SIM or further assistance, especially if you suspect a SIM swap issue. In areas with poor 5G reception, manually switch to LTE mode. Finally, Cricket's app offers AI-driven diagnostics. If there was a recent AT&T outage, Cricket provides updates and free data credits.